Please use reaction transcription of Campfire Cooking in another world with my absurd skill. Episode 2. Reaction is now going to commence. Pochi? Huh. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow. I don't know where this is gonna go, but I'm excited. Huh? Yeah. Wow. Okay. Well, too late. You're a chosen one. That's the point. Okay. Okay. Cool. Makes a lot of sense. Wow. Yeah, sure. Wow. Okay, so it's about your power level. Okay, cool. More cooking. I wonder where the party's gonna stay with him. Wow. Of course it did. You should look into magic that allows you to do Pokeblocks. If you don't know what I'm talking about, well, it is what it is. It will be very helpful. Okay. Wow. Yes. Okay. Indeed. Yeah. Okay. Very straightforward. Yeah. Wow. Which is insane, considering how powerful this creature is apparently. Oh. Wow. Okay. Good thing you have some money. Yes. Of course. Makes sense. It's a legendary monster and stuff. Makes sense. Learn about this world. Absolutely. Actually, you do need power then. Yes, merchant. Yep. Indeed, so it's more beneficial. But that's exactly what you're... Oh. Oh wow, that actually makes a lot of sense. Cool. Actually, yep, both is an option. Wow. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Ooh. Yes. Yeah. Dragons. Wow. Okay. Probably. Oh, I'm sad we're not seeing them again, but hey. Maybe we'll see them again. Who knows? Yes. Wow. Yes. Huh. Okay. Cool. Makes no sense, I get it actually. Eventually he's gonna get to Mithril, probably adventure and that, but hey. This was this. I really like Fel actually, its design, but I love wolves in general. Yes. More money. Online grocery. Just rice? Oh? God. Wow. You. Of course. How many though? Okay. Wow. Oh my goodness. This power. This power is great. I mean, obviously, the sauce makes a lot of a difference. Garlic. Okay. Rice. I like rice. Oh. Yeah. Here's the fun thing. He also boosts his stats as well while he's doing that. So, wow. Of course it was. Yes. I guess he doesn't care about hiding it from Fel, which makes sense. Okay, adventure is good. Probably. You're very broken. Okay. Yes. Yes. Of course. No. Yeah. Forgot. Yep. Yep. Wow. Yeah. Yep. Can cooperate to say, yep. Business. Capitalism. God, I wish it was so easy. Why don't you have Fel with you? Yes. Cool. Cool. S, A to G, okay. Cool. Obviously. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Adventure begins? Of course. Yeah. Appraisal. Yep. I mean, indeed. Okay. Cool little start. Mappa. Will they come back? Maybe. Huh. Wonder where this is canon. Okay. Love that. Okay, this was absolutely something. I don't know what to tell you. I loved it. I did have a lot of fun watching it. But realistically speaking, let's be honest. He is already, I guess, the maximum most powerful person, kinda. In this world at least. He has the strongest creature as his familiar. But yeah. I am feeling kinda sick, as I said. But what I want to mention is that, yes, he does have the most powerful creature as familiar. they've done a setup for a dragon being the second or one of the strongest creatures. So we know that Phil is fighting a dragon eventually. Now, what else? What else? They can do a lot of fighting. The main character is already inherently overpowered with the fact that the food from this world just boosts the stats of the people, on top of the fact he has one of the strongest creatures as a familiar. I'm sorry, my thoughts are going everywhere, but I can't stop coughing. Like, I can't, so don't even know what I've said so far. What's important is that it's super enjoyable. I'm really loving every single second of it, and I want to watch more, so I'm gonna watch more. But overall, I have to end it. So there's a video there. You can subscribe to my channel. There. But for now, bye.